So it's our last day here at Phong Nha. Unusually we're going to do Paradise Cave today, and most people do that as their first cave. It's meant to be pretty good though. So our trusty steed has lasted at least one day without any problems, so hopefully the second day. It's 150,000 dong per day, so 450,000, which is what's that, £15 for 3 days? Not bad, is it? So just got to fill it up with a bit more fuel just in case. Don't want to run out when we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere, which is where we're going to be on the Ho Chi Minh.
Two liter?
But let's see. Put one in and then see.
And today where do you go?
Just do the loop.
You don't go Phong Nha up Paradise Cave?
Yeah, but we have half already.
Ah, right now half.
Yeah,
okay.
so just to be sure.
Hello. Hello, love you, Dad.
Hello.
Love you.
How you feeling, Jane?
Hello! It's our last moped journey. Sad. I've loved it.
Yeah, we worked out today that we're on effectively day 14. And so far we've had a scooter for 8 days of the 14, which, considering that we've never gone on a scooter before, well, certainly not as a couple. I've ridden them a few years ago when I was a lad. But today we're going to go on what is a cracking trip. We've done this route before, but I didn't have a front brake and it scared the shit out of me. And it just finished raining as well, so today the weather's gorgeous. After the botanical gardens, the road just turns into just a cracker. Right, we're going to do a bit of exploring before Paradise Cave, and then well, it's going to be about another 15 minutes for us to get to the roads. For you on this video, it's going to be a few seconds probably. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
This is where we met the truck last time.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously not underneath these wires, but it'd be cracking to get some drone footage.
Yeah, well done.
Let's go down a bit further. Paradise Cave, and we've just stopped off, turned left rather than right. I did one of the bits of road that don't know, just twisty turny, absolutely lovely. Now we're just across the river. He says trying not to get too close to the river. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just trying to shade our seat.
Yeah, we did. We stopped earlier. We flew the drone for a bit, where I crashed it again. Got it back though. We got back on the seat, and my God, it was hot. But right, anyway, Paradise Cave, just that way. I don't think it's too far, maybe 5 kilometres. So we're here at Paradise Cave. Just had some peanut brittle something and eggs, seems to be the order of the day. Just about to get our tickets. Lots of coaches here at the moment. By the time we get in the caves, hopefully there won't be. So it's 250 foul each ticket. It's worth £15 for 2. Not bad if the cave's as good as they say it is. So we made it to the top. Be warned if you're going to do this. It's a long way up. I'm a bit warm. Here's the entrance. So let's go in and see what it's like. Alright.
Đi anh đi đi.
So if you come at the right time, there's nobody else here. Just a couple of families, but that's it. The place is stunning. Just goes on and on.
It's a massive cave, isn't it?
About 1 kilometre in, this is getting boring now. I'm joking. There's no sign of it stopping. Finally, we've reached the end. It's just massive. So we just got to the end, and now we turn around. Now we're going to do the slow walk back. Fairly alright pace, a couple of miles an hour. What's time? 12:45. Let's see how long this takes to get back. So that's it, we're almost at the top. And so what's the time now? It's at 15 minutes to get to about 2 miles an hour. So about half a mile. It's a big old bloody cave. Outside, pissing down.
Fun going right in.
Trip. We're pretty much not quite 2 weeks in, but we're heading back to Hanoi from Dong Hoi, or Phong Nha, but Dong Hoi station, and I've splashed out a bit. We've gone luxury. We got the coupe. We got like 2 bed. What do you reckon?
It's wonderful. The bed's lush.
I mean, compared to the bed we had at our hotel, love the hotel we've just been in. The bed was a bit hard for us. Look at that.
Give.
So we're about half an hour away from Hanoi, just arriving in on the train, and once we get there we've got about an hour to wait, get picked up by a coach. It's going to take us pretty much all the way to the border of China, and then we're going to get on a boat and go to our floating homestay for 3 days, which is exciting, a little bit nerve-wracking, but anyway, just about sunrise. You can't really see it, but we've got quite a lot of sleep on the train. Although somebody seems to have bought a cockerel on board, which is a bit odd, but that didn't help. In that box. I wonder whether we'll hear it in a minute. Oh.